Okay, so I've reviewed this sander about 2.5 years ago, and while it's not used every day, it has seen a lot of use. And overall, it is mostly great. Here's a quick refresher on this sander. M18 random orbital sander, 5-inch hook and loop pad. The sander truly has the power of a corded sander. There's a variable speed dial right where your right thumb is, perfect for righties. 7,000 to 12,000 oscillations orbital speed. As far as runtime goes, you can expect about 35 minutes on a 3 amp hour battery, 3.0 amp hour battery. Pretty damn good. Oh look guys, before we go any further, please help us out. Please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you're already a subscriber to the channel, but you haven't clicked the notification bell, please do that. If you do that, you will receive notifications when we post new content. It'll greatly help us out and support us. Thank you, and I do appreciate the support. All right, so now let's get back to the review. When I reviewed this sander 2.5 years ago, there were 3 things that impressed me. First, super powerful. It does perform as well as a corded sander. Second, it removes material fast, and I'm a huge fan of that. Sometimes you need to get things done, and it just does it. Third, having the ability to take this thing up on a 32-foot extension ladder without dragging a trip hazard cord up the ladder with me, huge plus. Now, while designing this sander back then, Milwaukee listened to end users in their complaints about dust bags hanging off of their sanders and ripping. They designed a plastic dust container with an integrated paper filter. The filter protects the tool while the plastic container collects the dust. Now, at the time of my review, the dust canister impressed the hell out of me because I felt it provided a way more durable containment solution than a bag with a spring in it. As a result, we said that the Milwaukee tools hit a home run with the sander and did not break the bank doing it. So the question is, how did we do, and did we get it right 2.5 years ago? Well, mostly yes. The problem we found over time was that the dust box lid constantly falls off the tool and spills dust everywhere. And that's probably because we've dropped it and it gets banged around. I get it. To deal with this, we first started using rubber bands till they break, and then we started doing zip ties around the containment box. A little over a year ago, Milwaukee made a design change to this box to address this lid issue. So I got my hands on a new sander to see if I could tell the difference from the new one and the old one. And I can't tell the difference. They look exactly the same to me. The new one absolutely clasps more securely, but it's new. So I'm hoping the dust container redesign issues are solved, but time will tell, right? All right, another complaint that I have with this sander is that Milwaukee provides an adapter to use. It's a nice adapter, a couple different sizes, to use with a vacuum hose. Guess where this vacuum adapter hides when you need it? You guessed it, anywhere you're not looking. It gets lost. Milwaukee should find a way to integrate the hose connection ports into this dust box. Figure it out. You guys are geniuses. Figure it out. All right, look, would I still recommend buying this sander? Absolutely. It is a solid sander and still worth getting. I love it. I just don't, I just found a workaround, a modification for it. So look guys, that's it. This is our look back. I hope you're enjoying the look backs. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment. We love hearing from you, and it helps with our video rankings. Most importantly, subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, hit that notification bell right there. And lastly, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We have 2 channels, Toolbox Buzz and Conquered Carpenter on Instagram. Take care, guys.